I'm not sure how this happened, but I came out to my Corvette today in the parking lot and my drive shaft had fallen out. Well, it's always something, you know? Just kidding, it's for my exploder. Happy Friday. So today I wanted to address a couple things on the old Corvette here. One has been beaten to death, which is this corner light, which is really, really shitty and seen a lot of better days. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out. And the little air dam down here, I'm gonna trim off about 1.5 inches of that so I don't scrape everything. And especially my driveway every day, it drives me insane. So I'll show you easily how to do that. But firstly, I'll go ahead and get this guy changed out. Bam! So much better. And also you can see that I already trimmed down there. Quick cleaning bonus. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, so super simple. I got it off the car. It's gonna take 5-7 millimeters to take it off. You can take it off with the car on the ground. I jacked the car because I was taking off the turn signal corner lights anyways. But all you need is this sharp razor, 1/2 inch blue tape, patience, and a straight hand. And I'll walk you through what you gotta do. All right, there you go. I got it taped up all the way across. This is gonna be a nice template, so you have a nice straight line. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. And at the end, I'm gonna taper a little bit to kind of match the factory way it kind of curves a little bit. I did this on my C7 and it worked just fine. I have read that for aerodynamic purposes, this will affect the car, but only in speeds of 140 plus, if I'm not mistaken. So you should be okay, as long as you're not driving like an asshole. All right, and we got her cut. A couple places I kind of fucked her up, but I'm gonna go over it with a sandpaper block just to knock down any of the tall bumps, and taper the edge. I'll get that nice and rounded out. I'll throw it back on, and hopefully my scraping on my driveway leaving my house will be mitigated. The middle air dam is about 1 inch higher, so I'm not too worried about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do both sides, and hopefully you guys found this informative.